Now for the string indexes, I want to show you this something. Now actually the string by its nature is a sequence of characters. So let's put this variable, and inside it let's put A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now actually what is string is? It is a sequence of characters, and each character has its own index. So we will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So actually it is like this. So if I print the variable, it will print everything, right? And we already saw that. So let's see again. Yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, everything working as expected. But if I put the squared brackets like these, and I put the 0, for example, now this will print only the A character. So if I return here and run it, you can see that it is A character only. Now let's return here. Now what if I type, or I want to have the A, B, C, D only? So I will put the colon here, as you can see, and put the from where to where. Okay, so from to, as this. So from 0 to 2, or 2, 3. Okay, so like this. If I return here, run again, you can see A, B, C. If I return again, you can see that from 0 to 3, but 3, as you can see, 3 is not included. So if I want D to be included, just remove 3 and put 4 instead. Then like this, go here, and as you can see, A, B, C, D. Now another trick. Now what if I want from B to the end of this? So from B, which means from 1. Okay. And by the way, the syntax here is n minus 1, which means if it is to 4, which means I need to put, which means if I want it for D, I want to put 4, which is 3, 4 minus 1, which is a 3. Okay, so you need to add an extra number for this index. Okay, now what if I want it from B until the end of the string? So I just remove it like this. I put it 1 to anywhere, or to nothing. Okay, so this will write 1, which is from B, to the end of the string. So let's check this out. You can see not A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No, it is B, C, D, E, F, G. All right. Okay. Now this is just to have an overview and have a look about it, so you understand that it is not just as is. It is very elastic for you. Okay. Thanks for watching.